Hi, this is Teacher Jason. Now we will discuss Unit 1, and it's all about greetings and meeting people. Again, greetings and meeting people. But before we start, we will talk about vocabulary. 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 And this is the words that we will discuss. Greetings. Greetings. Meeting. Meeting. Conversation. Conversation. Different. Different. Situation. Situation. Secretary. Secretary. Visitor. Visitor. Help. Help. Appointment. Appointment. Arrive. Arrive. Receptionist. Receptionist. Hotel. Hotel. Greet. Greet. Customer. Customer. Single. Single. Double. Double. Passport. Passport. Usual. Usual. Fine. Fine. Responding. Responding. Response. Response. Formal. Formal. Informal. Informal. Okay, so finish. Now for the vocabulary, let's go to the next one. We will use, again, useful expressions for formal greetings. Again, this is formal greetings. We have good morning. Good morning. Next, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Next, good evening. Good evening. Next one, how are you? How are you doing? How are you? How are you doing? Next one, informal greetings. Again, it is informal greetings like hi, hi, hello, hello. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? Next, how are things? How are things? Next, how's everything? How's everything? Lastly, how's it going? How's it going? Great. So again, this is useful expressions. We have formal greetings, and informal greetings. Great. So let's go to the next one. Responding. Again, it is responding. Responding. We have formal responses like I'm fine, thank you, and you? I'm fine, thank you. Next, fine, thanks, and how are you? Fine, thanks, and how are you? Next one, I'm very well, thank you, and how are you? Again, I'm very well, thank you, and how are you? And last one, very well, thanks, and you? Very well, thanks, and you? And we have informal responses. Again, we have informal responses like I'm okay, pretty good, good, great, not too bad, not too bad. Next, not much. Not much. Last, so-so. 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 Again, we have responding. Responding. And we have formal responses. Formal responses and informal responses. Okay? Again, thank you for watching. See you next unit. Bye. Bye-bye.